Thursday. Yes.
Millets for the petitioner Millets.
Eh?
Millets, the allegation is of abetment to suicide.
Correct. Investigation papers produced. List the matter on Thursday. Then the fresh matters list. The learned HCGP is directed to accept notice and secure the investigation papers and place it before the court on the next date. Yes.
Great.
189.
Section 45.
This one.
Ah.
It's regarding that they're saying that there is a material alteration in the check. Changing of the dates.
Where is the check?
Check is at page number.
The material alteration.
That one is converted to 9.
One is converted to 9.
9, yes, to cover up the limitation.
39. Innೊಂದು 9 ಇದೆ.
That also
Second
is,
check 9 ಇದೆ.
my lord, at page number 33 is the photocopy of the check. That both the checks are as 31/2018, my lord.
31/2018.
18.
Both are made 39. There is no overwriting in the second one.
Second one, it's not overwriting. He just made it into 9. That is.
There is no overwriting at all.
In the other one, there is an overwriting.
No. Weak ground. Any other ground?
Only this ground.
Nothing. Dismissed. All contentions left open. Next.
Admission 190.
79 and 80 of the
Entry model unta?
lordship.
Entry model idea.
Entry ಮಾಡಿದೆ.
And 23 next Tuesday. List next Tuesday in admission. Entry model subsisting will continue. Yaar date ಕೊಟ್ಟದ್ದು previous bench?
ನೀವೇ ಗೊತ್ತಾವೆ ಕೊಟ್ಟರು.
ನಾನು ಕೊಟ್ಟದ್ದ? ಇದು further hearing ಇದು. ಏನು what's the issue?
79, 80 your lordship of the
KP Act.
KP Act.
Yes.
Permission.
ಇಲ್ಲವಾ? Permission ಇಲ್ಲವಾ?
ರೇಡ್ ಮಾಡಕ್ಕೆ ಪರ್ಮಿಷನ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. FIR subsequently has been filed.
ಹೆಂಗ್ ವಿತೌಟ್ ಪರ್ಮಿಷನ್ ಹೆಂಗೆ?
ಅಲ್ಲಲ್ಲ. ಪರ್ಮಿಷನ್ FIR I'm verified not it.
ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಅದೇ ಹೇಳಿದೆ.
I'm verified.
ಸ್ಟೇ ಉಂಟಲ್ಲ ನಂದೇ ಆರ್ಡರ್.
ನ್ಯಾಯಾಲಯದ ಅನುಮತಿ ಪಡೆದು ಅಂತ
ಐ ವಿಲ್ ನೋಟ್ ದಿ ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಇಂಡೀಡ್ ಟೇಕನ್ ಅಂಡ್ ವುಡ್ ಪ್ರೊಡ್ಯೂಸ್ ದಿ ರೆಕಾರ್ಡ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದೆ. ವಿಲ್ ಟೇಕ್ ಇಟ್ ಆನ್ ಮಂಡೇ ದಿ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಕ್ಲೋಸ್ ಇಟ್. ಲಿಸ್ಟ್ ದ ಮ್ಯಾಟರ್ ಆನ್ ಮಂಡೇ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಫಾರ್ ಅಡ್ಮಿಷನ್. Entry order subsisting continues till the disposal of the petition.
191.
I appear for petitioner, my lord. There is a likelihood of settlement, my lord. I'll report the settlement in the next date of hearing, my lord. Kindly
Parties
extend
to the list submit the docs of settlement are afoot AFOOT. In that light, list the matter. ಯಾವತ್ತು ಬೇಕು?
next week, my lord. Entry order will be extended.
ಅಲ್ಲ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ವೀಕ್ ಹಾಕಿ ಯಾವತ್ತು? ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಫ್ರೈಡೆ ಹಾಕಿ ಮೇಡಮ್. ಫ್ರೈಡೆ ಇಲ್ಲ, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ವೆಡ್ನೆಸ್ಡೇ ಹಾಕಿ 14th at 2:30 PM to report settlement. IO continues.
Please, ma'am.
192.
For petitioner in 192.1, my lordship.
ITP matter, my lords. That's his.
Owner manager.
I am the owner of this farm, my lords, but I was not there, my lords. I am a sleeping partner as per the.
ಅದೇ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಆಗಿರೋದು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾನೆ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ ಅವಾಗಿಂದ.
Plus my name is reflected in the voluntary statement of accused number 2, my lords. She says that in the voluntary during the course of the investigation, as per the instructions of accused number 1, ಇದನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ಮಾಡಿದೆ ಅಂತ.
ಹೌದಾ? ಇರ್ಲಿ ಬಿಡಿ, ಎಂಟ್ರಿ ಮಾಡೋ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ದಿನ ಇಲ್ಲ ಡಿಸ್ಮಿಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು.
No entry matter, my lords. That's why I have filed the IA, my lords.
ಅಪ್ಲಿಕೇಶನ್ ಹಾಕಿದ್ದೀರಾ ಈಗ? Yes. Less the matter on 4 weeks ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಒಂದು ಡೇಟ್ ಕೊಡಿ.
Entry matter.
In the light of the interim order subsisting in criminal petition 8664 of 2022, there shall be an interim order in the case at hand as well. Yes.
Stay may be extended, my lordship.
The interim order in the companion petition stands extended. Yes.
Oblige, my lordship.
in this matter, my lords, a detailed interim order has been passed by this honorable court on 20th plus 2024.
ಏನ್ offense?
420, my lords, 409 and 420.
ಹಾ,
Initially, my lords, the entire allegation against me, my lords, I have cheated to the particular institution that
ಒಂದ್ ನಿಮಿಷ, ನಿಮಿಷ.
Alu Utpadana Sangam, my lords.
ಒಂದ್
Then, my lords, after conducting detailed thorough investigation officer has recorded the voluntary statement of co-accused, my lords. The co-accused, my lords, has, your lordship has observed in the interim order.
ಎಂಟ್ರಿ ಮಾಡ್ರೆ ಫೈನಲ್ ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದಾ? ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ವೀಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ಲಾ? ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಎರಡು ಎಂಟ್ರಿ
Entire
ಮಾಡಿ
allegation against him only. Entire allegation is detailed allegation.
ಆಯ್ತು. ಇದು ಒಂದು ಫಸ್ಟ್ ವೀಕ್ ಫೆಬ್ರವರಿ ಹಾಕಿ. ಎಂಟ್ರಿ ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಸಬ್ಸಿಸ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ಶಲ್ ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂ ಟಿಲ್ ದ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಡೇಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಹಿಯರಿಂಗ್. ಎಸ್.
194.
Petitioner, my lords. A week's time may be granted, my lords.
ಎಂಟ್ರಿ ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಇದೆಯಾ?
No, my lords.
ಲಿಸ್ಟ್ 2 weeks ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಒಂದು ಡೇಟ್ ಕೊಡಿ. ಸಕ್ಸೆಸಿವ್ ಪೆಟಿಷನ್. ಎಸ್, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್.
22nd.
195. Where is your senior?
Is not keeping well, your lordship. Due to the emergency, had to go to Haveri. We pray for a short date, your lordship. We pray to take up the matter on 13th, your lordship.
13th. ಯಾವ ವರ್ಷದ ಇದು? 2025. We'll take it on 14th.
14th.
Instead of 20th. We'll be ready with.
ಏನ್ ಇವತ್ತು ರೆಡಿ ಇಲ್ವಾ? 22nd. List on 22nd for admission. Interim order subsisting would continue to the next date of hearing. It is made clear no further adjournment would be granted in the matter owing to the seriousness of the issue.
Much grateful, your lordship.
Interim order subject to the aforesaid continues to the next date of hearing.
196.
Petitioner,
Appearing for the respondent number 3, my lords. I am the victim in the case, my lord. The total amount of fraud is 1,94,50,000, my lords. It was transferred to accused number 3.
lordship on
Is
submission.
ಅದೇ ಇದು ಅಸ್ಸಾಂ.
Please.
On submission, my lordship.
Yes, sir.
Same counsel was the counsel for accused. Right now for respondent number 3.
ಪಾರ್ಟಿ ಮಾಡಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ ಇದರಲ್ಲೇ ಅಲ್ವಾ?
ಅದಕ್ಕೆ
ಮಾಡಿದ್ರ?
ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ, ಅಮೆಂಡ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಆಗಿದೆ.
ಹ್ಮ್.
ಈಗ ಅವರೇ ಅಕ್ಯೂಸ್ ಗೆ ಕೌನ್ಸಿಲ್.
No, my lords. I am for the victim. I have filed application in the trial court also.
ಇದು ಐ ಥಿಂಕ್ ಜಗದೀಶ್ ಸರ್, ಇಟ್ ಮೇ ನೀಡ್ ಯುವರ್ ಇವರಿದ್ದಾರ ಯಾರಿದ್ದಾರೆ? ಒಟ್ಟಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಲುಕ್ ಇನ್ ಟು ದಿ ಪೇಪರ್ಸ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಮೇಕ್ ಸಬ್ಮಿಷನ್ಸ್. ದೇರ್ ಇಸ್ ಸಮ್ ಸೀರಿಯಸ್ ಮೋಡಸ್ ಆಪರೆಂಡಿ ಆಫ್ ಫ್ರಾಡ್ ಇನ್ ದಿಸ್.
ಎಸ್ ಮೈ ಲಾರ್ಡ್ಶಿಪ್.
Or he claims to be victim, but actually is the accused.
He's an accused.
ಅವ್ರ ಪಾರ್ಟಿ ಮಾಡ್ಲಿ ಅಂತ ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೆ. ಪಾರ್ಟಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅದಲ್ಲ, ಇವ್ರನ್ನ ಪಾರ್ಟಿ ಮಾಡಿ ಅಂತ. ಎಸ್,
ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ.
ಮಾಡಿದ್ರ?
ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ.
Withdraw
ಫೈಲ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ.
ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತು. List the matter.
It has passed an order not to withdraw the amount.
ಹೌದು.
I am for the applicant, my lord.
ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್. ಇದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾರ ದುಡ್ಡು ಯಾರ್ದು ಹೋಗಿದೆ ಅಂತಾನೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ. ಎಲ್ಲ ನೀವು ಅಸ್ಸಾಮಿಂದ ಆಪರೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ, ಅಲ್ಲೆಲ್ಲ ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ.
ಇಲ್ಲ ಮೈ ಲಾರ್ಡ್ಶಿಪ್ on submission.
Anyway, 1,94 lakhs have directed not to be withdrawn. Let that continue till the next date.
Short date.
Short date only, yes. List on 22nd. Yes. Interim order subsisting will continue to the next date of hearing.
197.
Matter is settled, my lord. My lord may kindly have it on 8th, my lord. It's
Learned counsel with the petitioner submits matter has been settled. List on 8th at 2:30, 8:2:30, Dangila, 9th, 2:30 PM to report settlement.
It's a connected matter before a coordinate bench. There are in all 3 accused. Two accused have one filed one petition.
ಯಾವ ವರ್ಷದ್ದು?
My lord,
ಯಾವ ವರ್ಷದ ಮೇಡಮ್? ಯಾವ?
this is of 2019. 2019. CC is of the year
Tag the
2019.
petition along with numbers.
Lord, it is before a coordinate bench because it's a successive petitions. This is also a successive petition.
Anyway, tag the petition.
Please.
Which bench?
Lord, it is before Justice Arun, my lord. M.I. Arun.
Tag the petition along with sounds. Yes.
Please. Grateful. 9th, my lord.
9th at 2:30, yes.
Orders 198.
ನಿಮಿಷ, orders ಎಲ್ಲ pass out.
Amicably solved the
Joint memo is filed. The
Oh, one
second that
minute.
is
Joint memo, ಏನು offense ಏನು?
498A.
All right, ಕೊಡಿ.
They are present, my husband and wife.
Who is the complainant?
Complaint is the wife. My
You're
respondent
living
number
together
two.
now?
Yes, since from last 1 year, they are living together.
Settlement, NVJ ಕೇಳ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. Joint memo ಎಲ್ಲಿದೆ? All right, sign the papers. Closed, cost. Yes, next.
99.
RP.
Petition, madam.
Huh.
I have to 2 days time.
Why, what RP, sir? Review petition ಏನು? ಇದಾದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಪಾಸ್. ಇದಾದ್ಮೇಲೆ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಓದಕ್ಕಾಗಲ್ಲ, ಓದ್ಕೊಂಡು ಕೋರ್ಟಿಗೆ ಬರ್ಬೇಕು. ಕೋರ್ಟಲ್ಲಿ ಓದ್ಕೊಂಡು ಆಫೀಸ್ಗೆ ಹೋಗೋದಲ್ಲ. List on 19th. Yes, next.
Past or matters?
For the petitioner, Your Honor. Your Honor, the charge sheet has been filed and it is, charge sheet is here, Your Honor. Charge sheet.
You
already
challenge the
added.
charge sheet, correct, because CC 2214 of 2025.
Yes, Your Honor.
But B report ಯಾವ್ದ್ರಲ್ಲಾಗಿದೆ? ಚಾರ್ಜ್ ಶೀಟ್ ಹೆಂಗ್ ಫೈಲ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ? ಬಿ ರಿಪೋರ್ಟ್ ಅಕ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿದ್ರೆ
ಬಿ ರಿಪೋರ್ಟ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ.
ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಚಾರ್ಜ್ ಶೀಟ್ ಚಾಲೆಂಜ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿದೆ. ಅದು 324(4) BNS. The petition heard the learned counsel.
ನಮಗೆ ಬೇರೆ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಕಾಪಿ ಬೇರೆ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ.
ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ ಮೇಡಮ್, ನೀವು ಇಲ್ಲಿರಿ. Yes. Heard the learned counsel appearing for the, what's your name you said?
Edna,
So and so appearing for the petitioner. The petitioner is before this court calling in question proceedings in CC 2215 of 2024 registered for offence punishable under section 324(4) of the BNS, which is section 427 of the earlier regime, which punishes mischief. A perusal at the summary of the charge sheet would not indicate even a titter of offence of ingredients as obtaining in section 425 of, 425 of the IPC, or section 324(1) and 2 of the BNS. In that light, there shall be an interim order of stay of further proceedings square the petitioner till the next date of hearing. One HCGP, 2 emergent notice. Yes.
Obliged, Your Honor.
You've read the papers? That's why I typed this.
71.
ಕಾಪಿ ಕೊಡಿ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ. ಮೇಡಮ್ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿರೋ ಕಾಪಿ ಕೊಡಿ, ನೀವು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕೋರ್ಟ್ಗೆ ಏನು ಹಾಕಿದ್ದೀರಾ ಅದು? 70?
71.
The matter was called and passed over in the forenoon. The matter is again called in the afternoon. There is no representation behalf the petitioner. List the matter after 8 weeks. The registry is directed not to list the matter prior to the expiry of 8 weeks. Yes, next.
Petitioner ಅದು ಕನೆಕ್ಟೆಡ್ ಮ್ಯಾಟರ್ ಇದೆ. ಮೂರು ಒಟ್ಟಿಗೆ
91. Cancellation of bail.
ಅದು ಇನ್ನು ಮೂರು ಕನೆಕ್ಟೆಡ್ ಮ್ಯಾಟರ್
ಕೊಡಿ, ಎಲ್ಲ ಕೊಡಿ. ನಾಳೆ ಹಾಕುವ. 25 ನಾಡಿದ್ದು ಹಾಕೋಣ ಮೇಡಮ್. Or Thursday, list on Thursday. Tag the petition along with so and so, list on Thursday. Next.
100.
Lord, the trial court has granted the interim maintenance, my lord, 7,000 each, my lord.
Oh.
That is my 21,000. And also.
ಮೂರ್ ಮಕ್ಕಳಾ?
ಇಬ್ರು ಮಕ್ಕಳು.
ಇಬ್ರು ಮಕ್ಕಳು.
ಇಬ್ರು ಮಕ್ಕಳು.
ವೈಫ್ಗೆ ಮಕ್ಕಳಿಗೆ 21,000.
21,000. Per annum, my lord, 30,000 education expenses.
ಮತ್ 3 ಜನ ಇಬ್ರು ಇದಾರಲ್ಲ.
My lord, the petitioner suffering from, my lord, the spine.
ಯಾವಾಗ ಆಯ್ತು ಕೇಸ್ ಹಾಕದ್ಮೇಲೆ?
ಇಲ್ಲ ಸರ್, ಅದಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಮುಂಚಿತವಾಗಿ ಆಗಿತ್ತು. I produced the medical certificate, my lord.
ಅದಕ್ಕೆ your children sir?
My lord, spine scoliosis, my lord, and also.
Spine scoliosis sir? ಸರಿ.
Loss of curvatures of spine and ankylosing.
Spine scoliosis ಗೊತ್ತಿರಲಿಲ್ಲ ನನಗೆ.
I produced the medical certificate. Lord, in this regard, my lord, and also, my lord, the petitioner has terminated from the service, my lord.
ಯಾಕಾಗಿ ಕೊಲಾಸಿಸ್ ಅದರಿಂದ?
ಅಲ್ಲ. My lord, the poor performance in the.
Poor performance.
In the service, my lord. For that
Service.
reason, yes,
All right.
For that reason, my lord, he is unemployed, my lord.
Performance.
Not able to pay the maintenance, my lord.
ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ ಅರಿಯರ್ಸ್?
ಅಲ್ಲ, ನಾನು ಇವಾಗ 1,03,000 ರೂಪಾಯಿ ಪೇ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ ಅಷ್ಟೇ.
ಹೆಂಗ್ ಪೇ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರಿ? ಸಾಲ ಸೋಲ ಮಾಡಿ ಪೇ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರ? Yes. One emergent notice to the respondent, petitioner to serve on the, is also directed to serve on the counsel who represents the respondent in the trial proceedings. But education, what is the wife doing?
My lord, ಮೋದಿ ಕೇರ್ ಸೆಂಟರ್ ಅವ್ರು ವರ್ಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದಾರೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ.
ಎಲ್ಲಿ?
ಮೋದಿ ಕೇರ್ ಸೆಂಟರ್.
ಮೋದಿ ಕೇರ್ ಸೆಂಟರ್.
ಅಲ್ಲಿ ವರ್ಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದಾರೆ ಅಂತ petitioner.
ನೀವು ಅಲ್ಲೇ ಕೆಲಸ ತಗೋಬೇಕಾಗಿತ್ತು. Yes. So there shall be an interim order of the learned counsel with the petitioner submits and places on record a medical certificate of injury of the spine of the petitioner, the husband, and is unable to work and pay the maintenance. In that light, the ಯಾವ್ದು ಸ್ಟೇ ಬೇಕು? 30,000 7,000? No, I can't do that.
Monthly maintenance.
No.
ಕಷ್ಟ ಆಗ್ತದೆ. He's now unemployed, my lord.
That's very much. That doesn't mean that you can't maintain your children, sir. 30,000 ಸ್ಟೇ ಮಾಡೋಣ, ಬರ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿ, ಸೆಟಲ್ ಮಾಡಿಸ್ತೀನಿ. The 30,000, there should be an interim order stay only in so far as the payment of 30,000 rupees till the appearance of the respondent. Petitioner to first ಹೇಳಿದ್ನಲ್ಲ, serve on counsel ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದಿನ. Petitioner shall serve on the counsel who represents the respondent in the trial proceedings. List on 22nd. ಅಷ್ಟೇ, ಅವತ್ತು ಸೆಟ್ಲ್ ಆದ್ರೆ ಮಾಡೋಣ.
127.
Please come to page 40. Offences are not made out. Page 40, your lordship, to please see the impugned complaint.
No, 1 minute. ಅವ್ರೇನೋ ಹೇಳ್ತಿ. Yes, madam.
With the permission of lordship.
Permission granted. Tell me.
Lordship.
Otherwise, there is no offense against them. What is that they have not produced? Tell me.
MLC they have not produced. It is.
You file your objections. I'll take this on Thursday.
In fact, wound
Samir will take it on Thursday.
In fact, wound certificate for transparency produced.
Thursday, yes.
Okay.
Registry to print the name of, already printed, yes. So counsel appearing for the second respondent seeks 2 days time to file statement of objections. List on Thursday.
Fresh matters.
Fresh matters.
Okay.
4 o'clock, Dharwad bench, yes.
Matters pertaining to the Dharwad bench being spoken to cell number 1. Then Rajendra.
Appear for respondents, my lord.
1 minute, sir. ಏನಿದು?
Appearing for the petition.
Being spoken to ಯಾರು? ನಾವು ಕೇಳೋದು ಕೊಡಿ. This petitioner.
Appearing for the petitioner, my lord.
Correct. ಅದಾದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ, ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಕೇಳಿ.
Please.
Produce all those government orders regarding regularization.
Please.
There are 1980, 83 and 1990, 1992. ಎಲ್ಲ 4 ಕೊಡಿ.
Please.
Right? ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಹಾಕಿರೋದು. The matter was disposed on so and so. Before the order could be signed, it is noticed that the government orders that were sought to be placed reliance upon but not appended to the petition. In that light, the matter is supposed to being spoken to today. List the matter on 13th.
Please.
List the matter on 13th at 4 p.m. in
My lord,
same
some
city.
more time may be given, my lord, because I have to secure.
20th.
Please, my lord, please.
Yes.
Much.
Yes.
Fresh matter, cell number 2. Deepa Pavan Dodati.
List on list on 23rd. Interim order subsisting will continue to the next date of hearing.
Cell number 3. Shivraj P. Mudal.
I beg to appear for the petitioner. Petitioner has challenged the taking a cognizance by the trial court for an offence under section 4 and 4A of the Minor Mineral and Development and Regulation Act.
23rd interim order subsisting will continue to the next date of hearing. Next.
Further hearing, cell number 4.
Yes, Shri Prabhu sir.
This matter.
Section 10 is applicable to ID proceedings.
I will.
Yes,
I bow down.
Yes, sir.
Lord, even if Lord.
Even if adonde question whether section 10 CPC which deals with arrest of a suit is applicable to labor court proceedings.
In the typical facts of this case,
sir.
Lord, my respectful submission is only this: the validity of the strike, Lord, once it is decided this way or that way, Lord, it will have a bearing on the terminations. The terminations have not happened for any other reason. Even if your lordships were to hold, Lord, it is not applicable, or Lord, the CPC as such, the procedural aspect nor the substantive aspects are applicable to the ID Act and the ID Act proceedings. We are facing two difficulties, Lord. One is that once we say that strike is illegal, I cannot argue this in these disputes where, my lord, the termination is a sole issue. So once that hurdle is cleared, once, my lord, the court were to hold that the strike was legal, then, my lord, these automatically the terminations will have to go, and I will have to induct them. That was the only intent. We wanted to settle these matters, my lord.
Ali, you want to settle the matters?
I'll narrate the facts, my lord, subject to what your lordship say. ನಾವಿದನ್ನ ಸೆಟಲ್ ಮಾಡಕ್ ಹೋದಾಗ ಅವರು ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಲೇಬರ್ ಕೋರ್ಟ್ ಇಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ಇನ್ ಫೇವರ್ ಆಫ್ ಸೆಟಲ್ಮೆಂಟ್. They said no, you conduct the matters. Now the other side also was ready partially.
No, it was sent to mediation. Mediation did not come through, so it was.
ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನನ್ನ ಮೇಲೆ ಮರ್ಡರ್ ಕೇಸು, ಅಟ್ರಾಸಿಟಿ ಕೇಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ನನ್ನ ಮೇಲೆ ರಿಜಿಸ್ಟರ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. And even, my lord, the court also is angry with me. I am facing a huge difficulty, my lord. These matters we want to pay money to them, or, my lord, induct whoever is eligible. But the whole problem is, my lord, that they are now as a one unit. They are saying elrudu togoli illa andre yardu togobedi anta. They are harming themselves. I cannot say that
it is. We are on a legal issue, alva.
Yes, my lord. I am only saying, lord, on legal issue this. If your lordships were to, my lord, say, I am not therefore, my lord, lordships, since lordships are abreast with all the case laws on this point.
No, I am not at all.
One issue, my lord, if your lordships were to consider, we just dare to submit one case law, my lord, if your lordships were. Why 3 copies? Which one? Sorry, note. This is, my lord, Express newspapers versus Michael Mark.
Michael Mark.
Yes, my lord. This matter, 5, my lord, if your lordships were to see on para 5, it is common ground that respondent's claim is based upon the aforesaid standing order. High Court seems to think that where it is admitted on both parties the employment of an employee has come to an end, standing order so and so, prima facie that does not appear to be quite right. Your lordship will see the sentence, Lord, standing order so and so contemplates separately cases of termination of employment by employer and employee, provides for compensation only where the termination is by the employer. However, there can be no doubt that the appellants who had terminated the services of the respondents by going to strike clearly indicated that they wanted to continue in their employment but were only demanding better terms. Such an attitude, far from indicating abandonment of employment, emphasizes the fact that employment continued as far as so and so. Now, my lord, the next paragraph says that please decide on, once the strike is held illegal, then only your terminations become. I am on a converse proposition. So what I am saying is, my lord, I am in fact siding with them. I am saying let this matter be decided. The validity of the strike is right or wrong. Even there are case laws which says if the strike is illegal also, I cannot terminate them. without following due process. Adu ide. I leave it at that, my lord. I had only brought up this issue because I wanted to, my lord, some justice be done on an expeditious basis. Otherwise, my lord, the matter will be relegated back. I will have to lead evidence. They will have to lead evidence. And the reference, other matter that is connected with this, my lord, 4, serial number, my lord, the union has filed this case. Adರಲ್ಲಿ, one of the cases is filed by the union, which is also, my lord, mixed in these cases. Vice president ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಒಂದು ಕೇಸ್ ಇದೆ. ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ that issue is, my lord, brought up. The legality of the strike is also, my lord, the subject matter. 6, my lord, serial number 6.
6.
ಅದು ಒಂಚೂರು ಮಿಕ್ಸ್ ಆಗಿ, because we wanted to settle these matters, we aggregated all these matters in one things, my lord. Your lordships will see that matter is slightly different. All these batch matters, my lord, pertain to the termination. Whether the termination is legal.
ಅಲ್ಲ, serial number 4.6.
Yes, 4.6.
ಇಲ್ಲ, 4.6 ನಿಮ್ದೆ.
ಅದೇ ಅವ್ರು ಹಾಕಿ ಅದು ನಮ್ದೇ. ಸಾರಿ,
serial number 6 ನಿಮ್ದೆ ಅದು.
ಅದೇ ಅದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ respondent is not individual workman. That respondent is vice president union. Where
anyway, but it is stayed on the same ground.
No, on a different ground, my lord. Because in the validity of the strike, the issues were not. We wanted a recasting of it.
This is will dealing this hangare. Yes.
Idu ಒಂದು ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಬೇರೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಒಂದು category. So there are other disputes also which are before the Dharwad court, my lord, which are on slightly different issue. But my only request is this, my lord. Even if your lordships were to, my lord, in the most unlikely event of holding that it is applicable or inapplicable. The only issue is whether the termination should be linked to the validity of the strike or not is the only issue. I leave it at that. I will not, my lord, I will not stretch it beyond a point, my lord. And second issue is, my lord, that the issues framed in that 4.6 are that adu bittu validity of the strike ಗೆ ಏನು ಬೇಕು ಅದು ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಬೇರೆ ಎಲ್ಲ issues ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಮಿಕ್ಸ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. So only thing is, my lord, whether strike notice was given or not. This is very binary, my lord. If this is held in their favor, they win. And if the strike is held to be legal, they win. Even if it is held against them, then also, my lord, their probability of winning does not diminish. I'm not doing it as a formality, my lord. I want to settle the matter. I am saying this with all conviction that, my lord, let them, my lord, deliberate on this issue, whether the validity of the strike has to be decided as a first issue or not. Even if section 10 is not applicable, lordships may direct, my lord, exercising powers under 226. If your lordships were not to direct, in case, my lord, I lose, I win in the trial court in a way, because, my lord, I will then have that issue open. I can always challenge these orders on the strength that the legality of the strike itself was not decided. This is what, my lord, I'm arguing against me, my lord. I'm conscious. And secondly, my lord, the other issue is the labor code has come. There are 3 codes now. Whether it will apply to the fact
now.
Yes. So that is the issue, my lord. I have not examined.
No problem. We will examine. Yes, Vishwanath.
Please, my lord. My lord, I already submitted the synopsis as well as the citations, my lord. My lord, my submission is that, my lord, the KID matters, my lord. My lord, section 10 has no application, my lord. With regard to the reference is concerned, my lord, the issue raised by the tribunal covers the whole issue with regard to the legality of the strike, my lord. My lord, on 16/1/2024, my lord, strike notice was issued by the union. My lord, for that reason, my lord, the reference issue framed in the reference, my lord, it covers whole issue, my lord. My lord, no expansion, no scope, my lord, for any other things, my lord. My lord, we are ready, my lord. We are ready to dispose of the matters, my lord, at the earliest, my lord.
You are ready, sir. Don't worry. Wait.
Please.
I couldn't place that exact paragraph, my lord, para 6 in this express
Supreme Court.
Yes. Express newspaper.
I have seen, yes.
Your lordships, I'm sorry. Therefore, my lord, I didn't dare to.
Heard reserved.
Please.
Intermodus subsisting would continue to the next date of hearing. Yes, next.
Please, grateful, my lord, grateful.
Number 5 only.
6 on the Sridhar Prabhu sir. 6 on dealing Marana.
that may be dealing, my lord, it may
Yes.
be separately dealt with.
Please.
ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ this issue I didn't, my lord,
Dealing serial number 6, rest of the matters reserved. Yes. Interim order subsisting would continue to the next date of further hearing. Yes. Oh, separate list ಆಗಿದೆ and dealing ಏನಿಲ್ಲ.
ಇಲ್ಲ 4.6 ಒಂದು
4.6 ಅಲ್ಲ 6. 6 is separate, it is not tagged at all. Dealing ಏನಿಲ್ಲ. Serial number 6 ಮಾತ್ರ post the matter before the bench having roster. Release the matter from the status being part heard. Yes.
Please.
Interim order subsisting would continue to the next date of hearing in the said case. Yes. Next. ಎಲ್ಲ 18 ವರೆಗೂ ಸೇಮ್ ಇಲ್ಲ 19 ಈಗ
19.
Your Lordship,
Yeah.
serial number 19, Your Lordship.
19 ಇಲ್ಲ ಇದಾರೆ 19.
Please, Your Lordship.
Appearing.
Yes, madam.
My lords
You're
have,
opposing this petition?
no, I don't.
Yes.
Only for prayer 3, I need instructions.
What prayer 3?
My lords, they want the extension of this policy to the unorganized sector. My lords, on the last date, my lords had directed us to get back to my lords on whether we have circulated the said.
Have you sensitized all
please,
the, with regard
guessing.
to the menstrual leave?
Please.
Yes.
My lords, 2 documents I'm placing on record for my lords' consideration. My lords, the first is the government order,
Yes.
where we have sent this communication to all the deputy labor officers
Yes.
for them to implement it across the state. The second one, my lords, is our website of the Labor Commission, where we have uploaded this government notification on menstrual leave. My lords, on the third prayer, my lords, I'll take instructions because unorganized sector, my lords,
No, we'll only issue a direction to pass, to do that in accordance with law.
may I just take a week's time only for this reason, my lords. I'll just point out, I just had a meeting with the Labor Department.
I'll take it on Thursday or Friday.
Please,
This Friday. List on Friday in the fresh matters list. Sorry, in the same stage.
the memo may be kindly.
The learned additional advocate general, Pratima Honnapura, files a memo with regard to the efforts of the state undertaken to sensitize all organizations with regard to the policy of menstrual leave to all the women employees in the coming within the precincts of the Department of Labor. The learned counsel would seek time till Friday to secure instructions with regard to prayer 3, which is a direction sought to implement the menstrual leave policy of the state to all unorganized sectors as well. List the matter on Friday. Yes.
20. Number 20.
Yes, Vaibhavi, what happened?
Salaries are paid, my lords.
All the salary.
All.
Well,
Entire amount
respond-
is paid, Your Lordship.
Yeah,
From May
responded.
2024 till
Please,
date,
Your Lordship.
all the
Girija Hiremat.
Please, Your Lordship.
Yes, madam.
Your Lordship, we have paid the entire amount. Your Lordship, earlier also I have made a submission. Subsequent amount ಎಲ್ಲ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀವಿ and earlier where was the remaining amount also we have paid, Your Lordship.
All right. The petition was filed on account of salary not being paid. This court disposed the petition on 20th November 2025 and had subsequently passed an order on 3/12/2025 recording the undertaking of the learned HCGP that the salary would be paid. And as on the said date, salary up to the month of April 2020, salary from April 2025 had been paid. The counsel Vaibhavi Inamdar would not dispute the said position. The learned HCGP would now submit that the entire salary that the petitioners were entitled to are also paid by the respondent. The counsel for the petition would not dispute the position. It is needless to observe that if the petitioners are working, they shall not be made to work without payment of salary, and without payment of salary on whatsoever reason it may be. Therefore, it may be ಸಾಕಷ್ಟು. ಈಗ ಕೊಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ salary?
ಕೊಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ.
Yes. So, with the aforesaid observations, the application stands disposed.
Highly
Please.
obliged.
Yes, next.
Obliged, Your Lordship.
Yes, madam. ಎಲ್ಲ ಕನೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬಿಡಿ, ಮಿಕ್ಕಿದ್ದೆಲ್ಲ ಕನೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬಿಡಿ. ಕನೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಒಂದು ಅದು ಚೇತನ್ ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು. ಎಸ್, ನೋಡಿ 2 ಲಿಸ್ಟ್ ಮುಗಿತಾ ಈಗ. ಲಿಸ್ಟ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಮುಗೀತು, ಆಲ್ ಲಿಸ್ಟ್.
30 mood matters.
Why is the SPP waiting? ನಾನೇ ಬರಕ್ಕೆ ಹೇಳಿ. What is this SPP? Odd ಒಬ್ರು ನಿಂತ್ಕೊಂತಾರೆ, even ಒಬ್ರು ನಿಂತ್ಕೊಂಡು. Delhi traffic ಆಯ್ತು. Not the way. There's complete chaos.
Yes.
It would seriously come in the way of disposals. If year-wise divide ಮಾಡಿ. I'm not saying somebody should go out, somebody should come in. I'm not on that. Divide it by, you divide it year-wise so that it will be helpful for the assistance to the court will be fine.
It was a mistake.
ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಯಾಕೆ ಆಡಿ ಒಂದು ಸರಿ ಹೋಗಲ್ಲ ಅದು.
Yes.
ಒಬ್ರು ಆಡ್ ಫೈಲ್ ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡು ಒಬ್ರು ಈವನ್ ಫೈಲ್ ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ every even will look odd.
Every even will look odd.
Yes, that is what I said. All right. Hope you got the point.
Yes.
All right.
Yes.
Take corrective measures.
Yes.
230 mood matters. Preliminary hearing. Vandana PL.
230 mood matter ನಿಮ್ದು ಫಸ್ಟ್. Yes sir.
ಅವರು ಭಾರಿ ಇನ್ವೆಸ್ಟಿಗೇಷನ್ ಮಾಡ್ರ, ಬೇರೆ ಇನ್ವೆಸ್ಟಿಗೇಷನ್ ಮಾಡ್ರ ಪೇಪರ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ತಮಗೆ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ನಮಗ್ ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದ್ರೆ ನಾವೇ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೆ, ಅದನ್ನ ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಬೇರೆ ಯಾರ್ಯಾರು
ಇಲ್ಲ. in fact my friend Mr. Jagdish should my lord appreciate my efforts. What happened was
private investigation.
ಇಲ್ಲ, ನಾವು private investigation ಏನ್ ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ. ಪೂನಾನಲ್ಲಿ my lord what happens, girl commits suicide.
ಅದೇ private investigation in a public inquiry.
Private investigation ಅಲ್ಲ,
Dire straits.
ನಾಗ್ಪುರ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ girl commits suicide my lord within only 3 days. 29/10/2025 my lord the marriage happens. The potency my lord fidelity of the boy was my lord suspected. My lord the marriage doesn't go well. After my lord 29/10, 1 month later a reception was held. My lord after 1 month from the date of reception, girl attempts suicide and my lord the next day she dies. In a my lord organizedly written complaint, my lord the father blames.
What do you mean organizedly?
I will my lord show the complaint my lord, your lordships will know my lord how organized it was. Then the father blames the boy and the boy's mother and boy's brother. Against boy's brother my lord there is absolutely no not even a single word my lord in the complaint. ಈ ಸೋಷಿಯಲ್ ಪ್ರೆಷರ್ ಬಂದು ತಾಯಿ ಮತ್ತೆ ಮಗ ಇಬ್ರು ಪೂನಾಗ್ ಹೋಗಿ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಸೂಸೈಡ್ ಅಟೆಂಪ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಮಗ ಸತ್ತೋಗ್ತಾನೆ. ಅಕ್ಯೂಸ್ ನಂಬರ್ 1 ಡೈಸ್. ಪೂನಾನಲ್ಲಿ 0 FIR ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಪೂನಾನಲ್ಲಿ 0 FIR ಮಾಡಿ ಅವ್ರು ಇನ್ವೆಸ್ಟಿಗೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಅವ್ರು ಒಂದು ಮೆಡಿಕಲ್ ರಿಪೋರ್ಟ್ ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ನಾಟ್ my lord ಡನ್ ಬೈ ಅಸ್. ಮಗ ಸತ್ತೋಗ್ತಾನೆ. ತಾಯಿ my lord ಆಫ್ಟರ್ ಅಟೆಂಪ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ಸೂಸೈಡ್.
First who died?
First my lord the girl died.
The wife.
The wife.
Wife dies on what date?
She dies my lord, she attempts suicide on 24/12. The my lord succumbs on 25/12 next day.
24/12, 25/12 succumbs.
Yes. 27th my lord the boy and mother attempt suicide.
Boy and mother on
27th, 2 days later.
27/12.
Out.
Who dies there?
Boy dies, who is accused number 1 in the FIR.
Sorry, A1 dies.
A1 dies.
Now A2 is the mother.
A2 is the mother. A2 is the brother. A3 is the mother. A3 is the mother. Mother my lord survives my lord, she is undergoing treatment. As against my lord the brother my lord, this petition is by mother and the brother. As against brother my lord there is zero material. Your lordships may kindly see my lord for a moment the complaint which is on page number my lord. This is the reason I said my lord it's an organized complaint. On 21st my lord, page number 21, this complaint was
complainant yaru?
Complainant is the father of my lord the girl.
Now the husband and wife, the girl and the boy are no more.
No more. Very unfortunate situation.
Really unfortunate.
No, the reason I said.
And all the medias my lord, I am the last one to depend on media reports my lord, but all the medias unequivocally reported that this serious complaint my lord suspecting the fidelity of the boy. That was the reason my lord he sustains severe shock.
Anyway, he is no more.
He is no more. He's no more, my lord, departed soul.
That is the reason for his death. That is the reason for his
For
death.
his suicide, correct?
Yes.
ಅಲ್ಲ, it is because of.
Not for big antu.
ಅಲ್ಲ, ಅದೇ 1 month ಆಗಿದೆ ತೊಂದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲ.
I understand that.
No, but you mean to say this is the consequence of media?
In fact, my lord, the kind of mental trauma that they underwent was such, Lord, if I see the complaint contents, there is hardly anything, my lord, which can be attributed to either dowry or dowry harassment, dowry torture. Honeymoon ಹೋಗ್ತಾರೆ, ಕಟ್ ಡೌನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಲೆಂತ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿಸ್ ಥಿಂಗ್ ಕಟ್ ಡೌನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ವಾಪಸ್ ಬಂದ್ಬಿಡ್ತಾರೆ, ಅಲ್ಲೇ ಜಗಳ ಆಡ್ಕೊಂಡು. ರೀಸನ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿದೆ. Papers have, my lord, unequivocally reported at page number 40, my lord. Though I don't depend on, my lord, newspaper reports, my lord, some credence has to be given.
Why?
Because section.
You depend or don't depend?
I depend because, my lord, section 82.
When it's convenient to you, you depend.
Illa. Section 82 of the Indian Evidence Act says, my lord, newspaper reports are, my lord, evidence by itself. Section 82 of the Evidence Act, my lord, says it even after the amendment of Saksha.
Unfortunate incident.
ಇಬ್ರು ಇಲ್ವಲ್ಲ ಈಗ? One who died, one who abetted, both are not there.
The only people.
ಇವರಿಬ್ಬರನ್ನ ತಗೊಂಡು ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ?
ಅಲ್ಲ, second people are abetted by.
ಇಲ್ಲ, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಮೆಟೀರಿಯಲ್ ಇಲ್ಲ. FIR, my lord.
ಯಾರು? ಅಮ್ಮ, mother.
Anyway, that is not before your lordship.
ಅಲ್ಲ, that is true. This mother has abetted the suicide of son.
Not on that. Then friend has produced various documents. That's what I'm talking. Not mother is not abetted.
She also attempted. She survived and she is undergoing, my lord, treatment. ಪಾಪ ಬ್ರದರ್ ಇದ್ದಾನೆ, ಅವನಿಗೂ ಈ ಕೇಸ್ಗೂ ಸಂಬಂಧನೇ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಅವನನ್ನು ಫ್ರೇಮ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. FIR ನ 2 ದಿನ ಆದ್ರೂ ಕಳಿಸಲ್ಲ ಮ್ಯಾಜಿಸ್ಟ್ರೇಟ್. The learned magistrate receives the FIR on the day after next. My lord, the FIR was registered on the very day 24th. The learned magistrate receives the FIR, my lord, on 26th.
No, that's not an issue, my lord, but I think.
Delay in sending the FIR.
Since it's 1 month old, my lordship may protect them, whatever.
No, there Supreme Court says no protection.
That's the problem.
No, but what is the material against these two for having abetment? Yardu?
No, that says the complaint says that they demand dowry and
Who
insistent.
demand?
Parents.
Vagueness to the of its my lord, ultimate
span of time the death happened in the. Problem is that otherwise it could not.
ಯಾವತ್ ಕೇಳಿದ್ರು, ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಕೇಳಿದ್ರು ಡೌರಿ. ಮದುವೆ ಆಗಿ 1 ತಿಂಗಳು ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ ರಿಸೆಪ್ಷನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ, ಅಲ್ಲೂ ಡೌರಿ ಡಿಮ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಅಟ್ ಲೀಸ್ಟ್ my lord, immediately after the marriage ಇಷ್ಟೆಲ್ಲ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ ಅಂತ. ಅದಾದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಕಂಪ್ಲೇಂಟ್ ಇಂಪ್ರೂವ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ, 40 ಲಕ್ಷ ಖರ್ಚು ಮಾಡಿ ರಿಸೆಪ್ಷನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ.
But your lordship may have it, let me get the records, whatever has been done.
What would these people get when the daughter is no more, son-in-law is no more?
Let me get the records and investigation material. Your lordship may have it.
Again, don't precipitate till then.
Orally instruction.
ಆಗ್ಬೋದು. My lord, I
heard the learned senior counsel M.S. Shamsundar appearing for the petitioner. I will not record anything on the next day.
My lord, I have great belief on my learned
SPP. ಅದನ್ನ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ಅಂತಿಲ್ಲ, even otherwise ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ.
He is very fair, my lord.
ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನೀವು ಹೇಳಿದ್ರಿ ಅಂತೇನಿಲ್ಲ, அவர் is always fair. Yes. The additional SPP is directed to accept notice for the first respondent. Complainant ಆಮೇಲೆ ನೋಡುವ. The learned additional SPP is directed to secure the records and place it before the records of investigation conducted till date and place it before the court on the next date, Friday. Fresh matters. Yes.
Greatly obliged.
ಅದು orally ಹೇಳಿರಿ, let them not harass these people. ಅದೇನೋ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ರೈಟ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಮೂವ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು ಬೆಳಗ್ಗೆ, ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ ಹೇಳಿ ಮೂವ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ.
To get attention. Get your lordship.
Yes. Why, madam? Last right or lost rights?
Obsequies.
ಎಲ್ಲಿದೆ? ಆಗ ಒಂದು ತಿಂಗಳಾಗೋಗಿದೆ ಎಲ್ಲ.
Tomorrow is the 11th day.
They are not doing anything.
ಆಯ್ತು ಮಾಡಿ.
Tomorrow is the 11th. Greatly obliged.
Order seal number 2, Shri K. Prasanna Shetty.
For withdrawal in terms of 3 no stay withdrawal. Mood has moved the matter for withdrawal in that light. Maintainability ಯಾಕೆ?
Maintainability because, my lords, serial number 4, my lords, I have challenged charge sheet, my lords. Serial number 2 ಅಲ್ಲಿ FIR challenge ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು.
Same petitioner.
I'll withdraw serial number 2, my lords.
Serial number 3, sir.
3.
Learned counsel for the petitioner seeks leave of the court to withdraw the petition. Number 3, in the light of the charge sheet being filed and that being challenged in serial number 4. Number ಹಾಕ್ಬಿಡಿ, serial number ಹಾಕ್ಬಿಡಿ. That being challenged in serial number 4.
In serial number 4, my lords, I take my lords straight away to page number 21.
Husband,
Operative portion.
husband
is there. Husband, father. Allala, idralle, my lords, I may get a chance to demonstrate my case.
Oh, yes, sir. Madi.
Nantara, my lords, third para, ನಂತರ ದಿನಾಂಕ 4/6/25 ನ್ಯಾಯಾಲಯದಲ್ಲಿ ಸದರಿ ಕೇಸಿನ ದಿನಾಂಕವಿದ್ದು ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಆ ಕೇಸು ನಾವು ಹಾಕಿರೋದು. That's case for divorce, MC case. After the summons, she arrives on this date, alleges that ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂದು ಕೇಳಲಾಗಿ, ನೀನು ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮನೆಗೆ ಬೇಡ, ನೀನು ಏನು ಬೇಕಾದರೂ ಮಾಡಿಕೊ, ನೀನು ಸತ್ತರೂ ನಮಗೆ ಚಿಂತೆ ಇಲ್ಲ ಎಂದು ಹೇಳಿ ನನ್ನನ್ನು ನ್ಯಾಯಾಲಯದ ಮುಂದೆ ಅವಮಾನ ಮಾಡಿ ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಹೋಗಿರ್ತಾರೆ. ಅಲ್ಲಿಂದ ನಾನು ನನ್ನ ಅಕ್ಕನ ಮನೆ ವಿಜಯನಗರಕ್ಕೆ ಬಂದು
2:30 ಯಾಕೆ ಮೂವ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ?
ಅರ್ಜೆನ್ಸಿ ಇದೆ ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ, ನಾಳೆ ಇದೆ ಟ್ರಯಲ್ ಕೋರ್ಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ.
ಏನಿದೆ? ಏನಕ್ಕಿದೆ?
ಅಪಿಯರೆನ್ಸ್
ಅಷ್ಟೇ ತಾನೆ.
ಹೌದು. My lords, after this, my lords, 4/6 alleged incident happened. This complaint came to be lodged on 23.
Additional SVP, 2 emergent notice returnable by first week February in Kodi. For the proceedings where the petitioner shall remain state till the next
One
day.
more request, my lords, memo for hand delivery, because nale I could not obtain the certified copies for your lordship. Please, my lords. Great.
Reporting settlement, seal number 5, Nishchal Dev ER.
Yeah, offense.
420. Paper the respondent. Memorandum of settlement was filed on the last day.
Settlement file ಆಗಿದೆ, authorization letter ಇರಲಿಲ್ಲ. ಪಾರ್ಟಿ
ಕಾಪಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿಲ್ವಾ?
ಅಲ್ಲ ದೇವಸ್ಥಾನಕ್ಕೆ ಮೋಸ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ authorization
ಅದಾ ಇದು?
I'm only offering an online service ಅಷ್ಟೇ.
ಆನ್ಲೈನ್ ದೇವಸ್ಥಾನ ಸರ್ವಿಸ್,
ಆನ್ಲೈನ್ ಪೂಜಾ ಸರ್ವಿಸ್.
ಆನ್ಲೈನ್ ಪೂಜೆನಾ?
ಹೌದು.
ಅದು ವರ್ಚುವಲ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀರಾ ಈಗ?
ನಾವಲ್ಲ, ತುಂಬಾ ಜನನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ, ನಮ್ದು ಒಬ್ಬರದೇ ಏನಿಲ್ಲ.
ಆನ್ಲೈನ್ ಅಲ್ಲ?
ಹೌದು ಹೌದು.
God is satisfied. ಇನ್ನೇನೇನು
Probably yes, my lord.
ವರ್ಚುವಲ್ ಪೂಜೆ ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಏನ್ 420?
ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ they have got a confusion that without their approval I have done an online puja ಅಂತ. But the point is, ನಾನು ಆ ಜಾಗದಲ್ಲಿ ಪೂಜೆ ಮಾಡಿದೀನಿ, not in the temple.
ಇವರ ಹೆಸರಲ್ಲಿ ಅವ್ರು ಪೂಜೆ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ.
Oh, even God has become digital. Yes.
ನಾನು ಒಬ್ಬರೇ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. There are many other.
ಹೇಳಿ. ಇದು ನನ್ನ ಮುಂದೆ ನಾನು ಕೇಳ್ತಿರೋದು ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಟೈಮ್. Yes.
Number 2 is the manager, my lords, is present.
The petitioners are before this court seeking the following prayer. During the subsistence of the petition, the parties to the list had entered into a settlement, and what was wanting was production of authorization from the respondent petitioner, from the respondent number 2. The authorization is now placed on record. In the light of the settlement, the terms of settlement recorded are as follows. Illide memo.
Last date only it was filed.
So and so. Ad nodkolli memo. Illide joint affidavit.
Compromise petition followed by joint.
On 19/12 it was filed.
ಆನ್ಲೈನ್ ಪೂಜೆ ನೀವು ಮಾಡ್ತಿರಲ್ಲ, ಅದು ಯಾರು ಮಾಡಿಸ್ತಾರ? ಅವರು ಆನ್ಲೈನ್ ಇರ್ತಾರ?
ಅಲ್ಲ, ಹೌದು, ಅವ್ರು ಆನ್ಲೈನ್,
ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಆನ್ಲೈನ್.
ವಿಡಿಯೋ ರೆಕಾರ್ಡಿಂಗ್ ಕಳಿಸ್ತೀವಿ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ.
ಸೊ ಯಾರು ಏನ್ ಪೂಜೆ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ.
ಇಲ್ಲ, we appoint a pandit at that particular place. That pandit performs the puja, and that is displayed online to the viewer, and it is recorded as well. A separate CD would be sent to the.
ಹೋಮ ಎಲ್ಲ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಹೆಂಗ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ?
ಅದನ್ನು ಎಲ್ಲ ರೆಕಾರ್ಡ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ, ಅದನ್ನು ಆನ್ಲೈನ್
ರೆಕಾರ್ಡೆಡ್ ಹೋಮ
ರೆಕಾರ್ಡೆಡ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಆನ್ಲೈನ್.
ಇದು ಸೆಟಲ್ ಮಾಡೋದೇ ಒಳ್ಳೇದು. Close.
I have placed FAQs in the petition as well. How do I operate ಅಂತ?
Oh, all right. ಸರಿ, ಇನ್ನೇನೇನು ನೋಡ್ಬೇಕು ತೊಂದ್ರೆ?
Order seal number 1, Rajat?
What, Rajat?
Seeking liberty to challenge the charge sheet. It's a POXO case.
Yes.
The bank accounts have been frozen, if that can.
Settlement ಎಲ್ಲ record ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ proceedings in the light of the settlement arrived at between the parties, the crime so registered against these petitioners stands quashed. Needs to be obliterated and buried. The learned counsel for the petitioner submits owing to the registration of the crime, the accounts of the petitioners had stood frozen. In the light of the settlement arrived at and the crime being obliterated, the accounts shall be defrozen forthwith and permitted operation as it was done prior to the registration of the crime, without broking any delay. The investigating officer shall direct the bank direct the bank to defreeze the account in terms of this order. Ordered accordingly. Yes. Rajat, ಏನಿದು?
It's POXO case. I'm withdrawing liberty to challenge charge sheet.
ಏನ್ POXO case?
Charge sheet ಅಲ್ಲಿ I am not the father.
You're not the father?
I've been allegation is rape, my lords. I will challenge it tomorrow. I filed a fresh petition.
In terms of the memo.
Quoting settlement seal number 2, Ki Manjunath Gowda.
Petitioner.
Offense.
Hearing for the respondent.
ಏನಿದೆ ಜಗಳ ಬಿಡ್ಸಕ್ ಹೋಗಿದ್ದಷ್ಟೇ ಮೇಡಮ್.
Offense ಜಗಳ ಬಿಡ್ಸಕ್ ಹೋಗಿದ್ದ.
T24
ಅದೇ ಹೇಳಿ.
T24 FIR ಆಗಿರೋದು ಮೇಡಮ್. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಚಾರ್ಜ್ ಶೀಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ T26 ಹಾಕಿದ್ದಾರೆ. Both are present. ಏನಂದ್ರೆ ಅಕ್ಯೂಸ್ ನಂಬರ್ 1 is absconded ಮೇಡಮ್. ಅವ್ರು ಬರ್ತಾನೆ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಇವ್ರೇನಂದ್ರೆ ಜಗಳ ಬಿಡ್ಸಕ್ ಹೋಗಿದ್ದಷ್ಟೇನೆ. ಬಟ್ ಮಗ ಹೋಗಿ ಕಂಪ್ಲೇಂಟ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರೋದು. ತಂದೆ ಹಾಸ್ಪಿಟಲ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದ್ರು. ಅವ್ರ ಮಗ ಗೊತ್ತಿರ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ ಇವ್ರ ಮೇಲೆ ಅಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಇವ್ರ ಮೇಲೆ ಸೇರ್ಸ್ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. Both are present, my lord. I'm filing 320 application along with affidavit, my lord.
Close, ma.
Hearing for the respondent. Okay.
Kodi. The petitioners are before this court seeking the following prayer. The
sole petitioner.
Yes, to?
Sole petitioner.
Sole petitioner. Petitioner is before this court seeking the following. Sole accused, huh?
No, the two accused.
Two accused. Accused number 1 is absconded, my lord. Accused number 2, I'm filing.
The issue relates to two accused. One, the petitioner, whose accused number? Two. The accused number 1 is said to be absconding. The accused number 2 has, the complainant has settled the dispute with accused number 2 and has filed an application seeking compounding of the offense as offense and an application under section 359 of the BNSS. In the learned counsel for the petitioner would take this court through the complaint and seek to demonstrate that the petitioner herein intervened only to resolve the dispute between the accused number 1 and the complainant and is dragged into the crime without any rhyme or reason. The charge sheet so filed also would indicate the same. Charge sheet agidiyalla? The charge sheet so filed would also indicate the same way the present accused. In that light, notwithstanding the fact that the offense is the one punishable under section 326 of the IPC, I deem it appropriate to close the proceeding, accepting the application seeking compounding of the offense. For the aforesaid reasons, allowed, quashed, disposed, quashed. Yes. Que the present petitioner, accused number 2. It is made clear there is no settlement recorded que accused number 1.
This one continue. Further hearing, number 200.
Breach of promise to marry. It's false claim of pregnancy.
In this case, IO, instead of submitting the extract, whatever the WhatsApp chat, Malad, he has produced the pen drive. How do I know what is there in the pen drive? The entire thing, which is the phone has been seized. This court has directed Malad to produce the WhatsApp chat. That is the evidence, Malad.
Yep. In fact, my lord, I brought it to your lordship's notice that the scanned document which complainant produced are morphed, belongs to old date, and then they have.
Adu.
If that is the case, Malad, the Swati Akash, it has been mentioned. Akash is the petitioner.
Swati is the complainant.
Swati anta externally bari Swati. ಮೇಲ್ಗಡೆ ಆಕಾಶ್ ಸೇರಿಸಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಒರಿಜಿನಲ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ರೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗಿರೋದು.
Malad,
ಕೊಡಿ ಕೊಡಿ ಪ್ರೊಡ್ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೇವೆ ಮಾಡಿ. ನೀವು ಪ್ರೆಗ್ನೆಂಟೇ ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ. ಗೂಗಲ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇಮೇಜ್
that is why.
ಒಂದ್ ನಿಮಿಷ ಗೂಗಲ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇಮೇಜ್ ತೆಗೆದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು
I will,
ಪ್ರೆಗ್ನೆನ್ಸಿ
I will,
ಟೆಸ್ಟ್
I will, I will
ರೆಡ್
extract,
ಬಂದಿದೆ
I
ಅಂತ
will extract.
ಇವರಿಗೆ ಕಳಿಸಿ.
Malad, I will say, the pregnancy kit was taken, tested positive, and it was destroyed. He wanted to know how it is that. He only requested to take it out from the Google. That is what there in the WhatsApp chat, Malad. That is what there in the WhatsApp chat. That is why they have produced only the pen drive. If they give the at least the WhatsApp chat, Your Honor, I will be able to establish.
ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಎಲ್ಲ.
He only demanded. No, that is not the entire detail.
ಇನ್ನೆಷ್ಟು ಬೇಕು?
Illa, that is not.
That's the reason.
That's not part of the charge sheet.
313 has been left out, Manoj, for this very reason.
313 ಇಲ್ವಾ ಈಗ?
ಇಲ್ಲ. And in
only
fact, Manoj,
376.
in fact,
ಎಷ್ಟು ವರ್ಷ ರಿಲೇಶನ್ಶಿಪ್?
420, but it wasn't even the relationship.
No, ಮತ್ತೆ?
Alliance bantu. During the alliance, Manoj, he was in Taiwan. She is here in Bangalore. While in Taiwan, Manoj, they decide that they will travel on a trip to Munnar together.
ಇದು
Munnar trip. 3 days they with that planned, Manoj. However, Manoj, in one day itself, the boy decided that he would want to come back.
ಮುನ್ನಾರಿಂದ?
ಹೌದು, there was no relationship of any nature there.
Why?
ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂದ ನಂತರ
you wanted to come back?
But he saw there was
only
a
because of the
difficulty
reason
on compatibility.
they thought it is a different room because they are meeting first time, and they realized he has only booked one room, and they have returned immediately.
This is not the charge.
It's a 164 statement, 161 statement, my lord. And he says because wives doesn't match.
You come back to your statement. They returned immediately, na?
Yes, my lord.
Pregnant ಹೆಂಗಾದ್ರಿ?
No, I will come back. When he returned at the late night, my lord, the victim was supposed to reach the PG. It was around the midnight. He said, I will take you to my friend place. My friend families are there. We'll go there. Because nothing was happened, because there was the safe, she felt, my lord. She proceeded along with him to the friend's house. After the shock, my lord, there was nobody. And he made to drink wine. And when she was not conscious, he committed a rape. That is what the 164 statement. That is what the complaint. And then, my lord, because anyway we are going to marry, please adjust.
Adjust.
That is what the 164 statement, my lord. But when the offense was committed for the first time, she was not having a conscience. She was made to consume the alcohol.
Next time ಆಯ್ತಾ ಮತ್ತೆ?
No, first time. And then in the next day morning, my lord, he says, anyway, it happened. Anyway, we are going to marry. That's what the promise he made. Then, my lord, again, she became pregnant. That was informed to him.
Again, she became pregnant. First time ಯಾವಾಗ ಆಗಿದ್ರು?
ಅದು ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಡಿಸೆಂಬರ್ ಆಯ್ತಲ್ಲ, ಅವಾಗ ಪ್ರೆಗ್ನೆಂಟ್ ಆಗ್ತಾರೆ. ಪ್ರೆಗ್ನೆಂಟ್ ಆದಾಗ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಇನ್ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಇವರು ಅದನ್ನ ಟೆಸ್ಟ್ ಕಿಟ್ ನ ಡೆಸ್ಟ್ರಾಯ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಆ ಡೆಸ್ಟ್ರಾಯ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಇವ್ರು ಏನ್ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ, ಇಲ್ಲ ಐ ವಾಂಟ್ ಟು ಸಿ ದಟ್ ಯು ಟೆಸ್ಟ್ ಅಗೇನ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು. ಇಲ್ಲ, ಅದು ವಾಟ್ಸ್ಆಪ್ ಚಾಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕೂಡ ಇದೆ. ಇಲ್ಲ, ನೀನು ಅದು ರಿಟ್ರೀವ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಪೊಲೀಸರು. ಇಲ್ಲ, ನೀನ್ ನನಗೆ ಗೂಗಲ್ ಇಂದ ತೆಕ್ಕೊಡು ಅಂತ. That is why, Your Honor, she has taken the, this thing, kit in the Google, that is been forwarded, and that they are misusing now. This she has sent in a Google anta helbittu. Now, while it is the case of the complaint, while he going,
313 anyway drop ಮಾಡಿದಾರಲ್ಲ.
While he was going, he took the complaint mobile. He has deleted the entire chats. So I have nothing to give to the police. That is why it was sent to the Malad to extract the contents of the WhatsApp chat. And this court has directed to produce the pen drive, so that I can argue well.
You can argue well.
But that is the best for me, Malad. Because he says, according to the complaint, he says after having a relationship, he went to Taiwan, he blocked her and say, no, wives doesn't match anta ಹೇಳ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು. ನಂದು ನಿಂದು ವೈಫ್ ಮ್ಯಾಚ್ ಆಗಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು. I can
ECPNDT form F.
ಕೊಡಿ.
Then the X-ray date.
That is not part of the charge sheet.
The complaint itself says it is consensual sexual intercourse.
A date.
In the complaint itself, she says that we had consensual sexual intercourse.
One-off situation or many?
first initial itself, 2 days. That's what she says. Later in 164, she develops her case to say he had brought wine, he had induced me wine. Thereafter, this is what he did.
No, in
Wine did not go fine. Yes.
my lord, in the I can make out, Your Honor.
What?
In the complaint,
Page 37.
Your Lordship may see that Form F date, my lord, and the name. And the next
Date is, sir.
date ಮೇಲ್ಗಡೆ ಇದೆ, my lord.
10/8/2021.
Correct, my lord. Now, Your Lordship is go to the next page. The scanning has the date. And the top right corner, my lord, scanning has the date. Just above 1858-38. ಅದ್ರ ಮೇಲ್ಗಡೆ 10/8/2021.
10/8/2021.
ನಾವು ಈಗ ಚಾರ್ಜ್ ಶೀಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇವ್ರು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರೋ
ಇದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಪ್ರೆಗ್ನೆನ್ಸಿ ಇಲ್ವಲ್ಲ?
ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ರೆಗ್ನೆನ್ಸಿ ಇದೆ. ಚಾರ್ಜ್ ಶೀಟ್ ಇಮೇಜ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿದ್ರೆ same image has been given and shown it as if it is done in 2020 after the meeting of same image.
The date was modified.
ಮತ್ತೆ ಯಾವುದು ಕಾಸಾ ಕಾಟೇಜ್ ಹೋಟೆಲ್ ಅದು ಯಾವುದು?
Subsequently, again, they meet.
The date of events is very important.
Later.
ಹೇಳಿ sir.
I have filed it along with the objection.
Dates and events ಹಾಕಿದ್ದೀರಾ?
We also have filed notes.
ನಾನು objection ಅಲ್ಲ ಹಾಕಿದ್ದೀನಿ.
ಆಯ್ತು ಹೇಳಿ.
My lord, in the month of September, there is a marriage proposal has came. It is a
September of 2020.
September 23, my lord.
2023.
ಹೌದು. So, in the month of October,
marriage proposal from whom?
From both the family elders.
Alliance came.
Marriage.
All right.
And in October 23, my lord, the accused number 1, he wanted to meet. He confirmed, yes, I can go with the marriage. They have met in the temple, both the family parents. But they have consented for the marriage in October 23. In December 23, my lord, he has telephoned the complainant and said that I am coming to Bangalore. We'll meet. We wanted to understand each other. We'll go out. So he booked the ticket to Munnar.
Munnar.
Oh, Munnar. My lord, they went to Munnar on 5/12, and again they returned back on 6/12/23 in the midnight because they could not adjust each other in that place.
4/12
in the midnight. On that day, my lord, when he came to midnight, she was taken to the friend's house and committed an offense of rape and intoxicated wine and committed rape. And the next date, he says, anyway, we are going to marry. You adjust. And then, Your Honor, in early 2024,
the 23 and the 24 ಗೆ.
ಹೌದು 24 ಗೆ. He came again back from Taiwan. He comes from Taiwan. He said, my card is not working. Why don't you book a room in Casa Hotel, Casa Cottage?
In Bangalore.
In Bangalore.
So you booked the room.
I booked the room at the instruction because there is a WhatsApp chat. I booked the room at the instruction of the accused number 1. After that, Your Honor, they had spent 2 days time.
Elli Casa Cottage.
Again on 12/4, he has asked to book a room in the room SM Royal Suite. Again he left India, my lord. He went to Taiwan. He told over phone that our wives are not matching.
Wives?
Wives. That is what the complaint. Our wives are not matching, will not marry. Then he has totally blocked the complaint. Then the case was filed.
For rape.
Initially, they have registered for the 313 and 417. And later the 376 was included.
Against the parents.
Because
wait, sir.
Against the parents.
Wait, sir.
But then their parents have offered money to the victim, saying that to withdraw the complaint, we'll pay you some money, we'll make settlement on that. So they have also indirectly supported their son. So
that's why parents also are included.
And then that is why, Your Honor, the whole charge sheet, the correspondence in the WhatsApp only, because they are staying in a different place. So that is, if they have given, I can produce the printout from the pen drive.
ಪರವಾಗಿಲ್ಲ ಇಲ್ಲಿದೆ ಬಿಡಿ ಎಲ್ಲ ಹಾಕಿದ್ದಾರೆ.
ಹಾಕಿಲ್ಲ ಸರ್.
ಇದೇನಿದೆಲ್ಲ
1300 pages ಇದೆ.
ಏನು ವಾಟ್ಸ್ಆಪ್ ಚಾಟಾ?
ಹೌದು.
ಪ್ರಿಂಟ್ ತೆಗಿಲಿಲ್ಲ.
ಹೌದು.
ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಪ್ರಿಂಟ್ ತೆಗಿಲಿಲ್ಲ.
What is the relevant for him he has produced according to him? And
1300 pages.
Yes.
We are not.
And the IO simply fills a one pen drive and CD for the.
ಅದೆಲ್ಲಿದೆ ಪೆನ್ ಡ್ರೈವ್ ಕೊಡಿ.
ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಒಂದು.
ಎಲ್ಲಿದೆ?
ನನಗೆ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿಲ್ಲ ಸರ್.
ನಿಮ್ಗಲ್ಲ ಸರ್, ಕೋರ್ಟ್ ಕೂಡ ಕೇಳಿ.
ಅಲ್ಲಿಗೆ
ಕೊಡಿ.
The charge sheet as well has the WhatsApp chats.
1300 pages.
ಇಲ್ಲ.
Whatever was
ಅದು ಹಾಕಿಲ್ಲ.
whatever was produced by her before the police melodies that have been produced.
ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ before that he has deleted the entire thing.
ಈಗ ನೀವು ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಸ್ಟೋರಿ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರಲ್ಲ 4th 5th December ಅಂತ of 2023.
Yes ma'am.
ಅದಾಯ್ತು. ಮತ್ತೆ 4 ಸರಿ ಯಾಕೆ ಹೋದ್ರಿ?
My lord, he has promised to marry.
Oh, promised to marry. So did not marry.
He didn't marry. Only the reason the wife didn't match.
Wives didn't match.
I can show my lord one WhatsApp chat.
Then wife.
WhatsApp chat, my lord. The request, how many times she has made request in ಒಂದು 29/3/2025 ಒಂದು ಡಾಕ್ಯುಮೆಂಟ್ ಹಾಕಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಅದು ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಟೈಮು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಚಾರ್ಜ್ ಶೀಟ್ ಹಾಕಿದ್ರು, ಆಮೇಲೆ ನಾವು ಐ ಹಾಕಿದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಇನ್ನೂ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಚಾರ್ಜ್ ಶೀಟ್ ಹಾಕಿದ್ರು. ಆಮೇಲೆ ನೋಡಿದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಪೆನ್ ಡ್ರೈವ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಡಾಕ್ಯುಮೆಂಟ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿಲ್ಲ. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಲೊಕೇಶನ್ ಕೂಡ ಪೆನ್ ಡ್ರೈವ್ ಸಿಡಿಲ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ.
ಬಟ್ 4-5 ಸರಿ ನೀವು ಹೋಗಿದ್ದಂತ ಹೌದಾ?
Yes.
According to you only, 4 ಜಾಗ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ
3 times.
3 times.
Yes.
Is it not consensual?
My lord, on the false
times wine ಕುಡಿದ್ರಾ? 3 times wine ಕುಡಿದ್ರಾ?
False promise to marry.
False promise.
First time he had made me to consume the wine and committed rape. Then he promised me to marry.
ಅವಾಗ intoxication ಏನಿರಲಿಲ್ಲ.
There was no intoxication. Then my lord, where is the question, my lord? I mean, automatically you cancel when my parents have been agreed for the marriage and his parents have been agreed for the marriage. And when I feel that he is my boy, he is my person who is going to marry. And my lord, after that immediately.
My boy, my man.
My man. After that immediately he went to Taiwan and say, no, my wife doesn't match. And at this stage, my lord, at this stage, when the charge sheet has been filed, at this stage, my lord, under section 482, cannot be quashed. Because there is a breach of promise or false promise, it has to be tried in the trial, my lord. I don't argue much on the parents.
Parents, what are the parents going to do here? We'll see. Parents on the quash, but regarding the present petitioner, first accused number 1, we'll see. Yes, sir.
That's
one WhatsApp chat I just watched.
Page.
One ink page 123. ಅವರೇ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರೋದು ಡಾಕ್ಯುಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಪ್ರಿಂಟೆಡ್
123
119 ಇಂದ ಶುರು ಆಗುತ್ತೆ.
ಇದಲ್ವಾ
ವಾಟ್ಸ್ಆಪ್
ಅದು ಲಿಸ್ಟ್ ಜಲ್ದಿ ಕ್ಲೋಸ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ.
ಅದು ಮೆಮೊ ಅಲಾಂಗ್ ವಿತ್ ಚಾರ್ಜ್ ಶೀಟ್ ಅಂತ ಹಾಕಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ನೋಡು 119 ಮೇಲೆ
119
ಎಲ್ರಿಗೂ ವಿಷಯ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗಿದೆ ಕಣೋ, ನಂಗೆ ಸಾಯೋ ಹಾಗೆ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ, ಏನು ತಪ್ಪಿಲ್ಲದೆ ಸಫರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ.
ನಾನು ಓದ್ಕೊಂತೀನಿ, ಎಲ್ರಿಗೂ ವಿಷಯ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗುತ್ತೆ. ಲೈವ್ ಇದೆ. Yes, sir. Why have you troubled the lady?
Milords, in the complaint, Milords, initially itself, she specifically says, Milords, page number 37, contrary to the submissions made now that she was in an intoxicated state. She says after explaining about they going into the room, she says, Akash nanna jote oppita laingika kriye ಮಾಡಿರುತ್ತಾರೆ. And further she says,
417 ಇದೆಯಾ?
Sorry, Milords.
ಚೀಟಿಂಗ್ ಇದೆಯಾ? ಇನ್ನು ತೆಗೆದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ.
cheating offense is there.
417.
417.
Oh. Now, there is no indication here, my lords, of any intoxication as such at that stage. So she herself says it is consensual. Subsequently, my lords, she develops the story in a 164 statement. There, in fact, my lords, even during a bail objections filed initially, there she speaks about the fact, the allegation of intoxication. My lords, page 164.
She's begging you so much.
Sorry.
She's begging you so much in the chat.
No, she did, my lords. She
did.
But she did beg me later to continue the relationship as such. But the fact that she firstly she claimed of having,
that's all right.
There being a false pregnancy. From that time onwards,
That's
I was
dropped,
not.
sir, anyways. 313 is dropped. But if you see these chats, she's begging you.
But she did not, no doubt.
Begging you not for relationship, a marriage. She says, you have used me, you have done this, you have done that. How can you leave me in the lurch like this?
But she did beg after a particular point of time. She did beg, yes, but can appreciate here their acts as such. Not the first fact of while he was in Taiwan.
It's all right. Initially, it may be consensual. You may have, it clearly, prima facie shows that you had no intention to marry, but only have physical relationship.
But contrary to that, Malasma, kindly see, while he is in Taiwan, she is in India. He is 29 years old, she is 28 years old. So they both decide to travel to a place and stay there for 3 days.
Don't worry, consensual and
How? So once that is there, but subsequent begging to that thereafter, irrespective of what it is. Malasma, kindly appreciate this. Now, there's absolutely nothing here which would indicate that she was not a consenting party. There's nothing to indicate.
No problem.
There's nothing to indicate that she was not aware of the consequences of her own acts.
All that is fine, sir. I'm not on that. See, the intention, I doubt whether was there to marry even.
But the intention, I had once we met. But they traveled to Munnar on the 4th.
Story helbedi Munnar ಹೋಗಿದ್ದು ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತು.
The facts may kindly be
Munnar ಹೋಗಿದ್ದು midnight ಅಲ್ಲಿ ವಾಪಸ್ ಬಂದಿದ್ದು midnight ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬೇರೆ ಕಡೆ ಹೋಗಿದ್ದು ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ಕೇಳಿದ್ದಾಯ್ತು.
ಅಲ್ಲ ಅವ್ರದ್ದು itinerary
ಹೇಳಿದಾಯ್ತು ನೀವು ರಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಬೇಡಿ ಈಗ.
Our itinerary was from 4th to 6th of December.
You cut short the itinerary and came back.
There was no physical relationship of any nature then. That itself indicates I had no intention of having any such sexual
intercourse. Why did it have later?
After coming here, my lords, they both together spent time in a room here.
And no physical relationship.
There was, my lords. That exactly is what she says is consensual. In her complaint, she says. The one she says that, but all subsequent.
But all on the promise of marriage because families had met and things.
But that is not her case, my lords. Presently, the charge sheet is filed for the offence on the facts that she was in an intoxicated state.
That's all right. Once intoxication, okay, but repeatedly it is consensual only.
How? So now let's kindly say the condition precedent, going by judgments as well as the Honorable Supreme Court, Jyoti Raghavan specifically says there cannot be both. There cannot be a forcible consent obtained and there cannot be intoxication both. Jyoti Raghavan judgment I have produced in the citation memo dated 28/11/2025. But herein,
anyway, both of you are not married.
Please.
Hello?
Page number 3, my lords. The complaint proceeds that again on the pretext of discussing marriage, the accused called the victim and she willingly accompanied him to the very same hotel. It was stated that the accused made entries in the hotel register falsifying their names. On entering the room when the victim wanted to talk about marriage, it is a specific statement that the accused refused to talk about it till they had an intercourse, and thus again the victim was coerced into a sexual intercourse. At this stage also there is no promise of marriage or any inducement thereby, and the allegation was that the accused threatened that he would not marry if she did not have sexual intercourse with him and then forcibly had such intercourse. Next, my lords, these are mutually destructive contentions, since if there is consent, there cannot be alleged forceful intercourse, and it could only be contended that consent was obtained on misinterpretation or coercion. It is also the categorical statement of the victim that after both instances the victim was mentally upset, but this did not prevent her from still again going to the very same hotel at the request of the accused a third time. The story was repeated of the talk of marriage having been kept aside till the sexual intercourse had been carried out again forcefully. There is also an allegation of threat and coercion before they had physical relationship. It is the victim's case that after the 3 incidents, the complainant refused to pick up the telephone, and when the victim eventually could contact him, he refused to solemnize their relationship by a valid marriage. We have already found that there is no promise of marriage to
Pregnant. Why was it produced?
She used that to show him that she's pregnant now.
So she had become pregnant in 2021 itself?
That is not the case, brother.
Not the case. ಕೇಳಿದ್ದೆ.
Even that is not true also.
ಮತ್ತೆ 2021 ಯಾಕೆ ಸ್ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಹೋದ್ರಿ?
According to them, they have produced to make him to believe ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು.
ಅಲ್ಲ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ 21 ಯಾಕೆ ಸ್ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಮಾಡಿಸ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರಿ?
There is no investigation.
ಅಲ್ಲ 21 ಸ್ಕ್ಯಾನ್
There was no scan in 21.
ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಎಫ್ ಇದೆ, ನಿಮ್ದೇ ಎಲ್ಲ ಸಿಗ್ನೇಚರ್ ಇದೆ, ಬಟ್ why did you get the scan done in 2021 if the relationship had begun in 2023?
Correct.
ಎರಡು ವರ್ಷದಿಂದ ಪ್ರೆಗ್ನೆಂಟ್ ಹೆಂಗಾದ್ರಿ?
There was no scanning.
No, she herself relies on this document, the forged document, while objecting to my
ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಆಗ 2021 ನಲ್ಲಿ ಆಗಿರೋ ಸ್ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಗೆ ಸ್ವಾತಿ ಪಕ್ಕದಲ್ಲಿ ಆಕಾಶ ಹಾಕಿದಾರ?
ಇಲ್ಲ, our date must kindly see in the additional documents we filed on 8/11/2024, page number 23. But this document commencing at page 17, my lords, is their objection filed to the bail
petition.
To the bail petition filed by us, my lords. Additional documents dated 8/11/24, page 17 only. Only my lords, page 23 may kindly be seen, my lords. This document would indicate a date there as 2/2024, even though that is not very clear.
2/2024. Yes.
2/2024. Now, my lords, if at all there is pregnancy, it can be. She claims to have taken a scan in 2023 December.
Same scan. It appears that Akash is subsequently inserted in the top.
So there is a forgery there. Instead of 21 there, perhaps 4 has been added, though we were not aware of that. But this is a document she relies before the court as well. Now, if she is able to do this, I would certainly say, my lords, that claiming to me,
you were able to cut off relationship,
claiming
and
with
the
me,
number.
Claiming with me that she was pregnant, my lords. Other aspects, my lords, I wouldn't.
ನೀವು ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೆಲ್ಲ correct.
Absolutely no, my lords. In fact, once even other judgments also would say, once the trust is broken, then going ahead with the marriage is definitely a challenge. And
you also broken the trust, sir.
I have broken. There was a consensual relationship. Yes, it was only after these conducts, my lords. In fact, I was compelled to say no, not otherwise.
What's the matter on Friday at 4 p.m. for dictating orders?
We have also submitted our written submissions earlier.
We'll see. Yes.
24/1/25. Date
Friday, dictating orders, 9th.
The last judgment of my lords, Dr. Vijay Kumar.
Procedural. Next.
Madam.
In all these judgments, my lord, the facts are totally different.
We'll see. Yes.
Let's appear for the petitioner in this case, my lord.
Yes, Nagaraj idu? Oh, black magic.
Yes, my lord. Bank account, my lord. My lord, there is a small confusion, my lord, on previous date's order, my lord. It is not the petitioner's bank account. My lord, it is not the petitioner's bank account, my lord. It is the accused, my lord, the husband. In the 498 and 3 and 4 of DP Act.
Served, represented, served magilva?
So he's asking for opening a bank locker. In the order sheet, my lord, that there has become a petitioner's bank locker. That may be.
Oh, the accused bank locker.
Yes, my lord. But in a 498 3 and 4 of DP Act, my lord, during the Mazar, my lord, the IO seizes the 2 bank lockers, my lord, pertaining to the husband, my lord. So all my gold.
Your gold is there.
Yes, my lord. So, my lord, there is no guidelines as such where the IO has to
do the inventory after the 102 is completed,
We'll
or
see.
the magistrate should not have taken the cognizance, my lord.
List day after tomorrow, Jagdish sir, look into it. We'll direct some, we'll lay down something.
Guidelines, my lord,
Adhe,
because the
adhike.
magistrate and the
Black
IO.
magic guidelines, ah?
No, not
Huh?
the black magic.
Matlab?
Regarding the
Day after tomorrow.
obliged.
Yes. You want to adjourn?
202 adjourn. 203 for withdrawal.
ಇದೆಲ್ಲ withdrawal ಮೇಡಮ್ ಏನ್ ಚಾರ್ಜ್ ಶೀಟ್ ಆಗಿದೆ ಎಲ್ಲದರಲ್ಲೂ
203 charge sheet.
Charge sheet ಆಗಿದೆ.
204.
ಅದು 203 ಚಾರ್ಜ್ ಶೀಟ್ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ ಅಂತ ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಹಾಕಿದಾರ ಸರ್ ಇನ್ ಟರ್ಮ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿ ಮೆಮೊ ಎಲ್ಲದರಲ್ಲೂ
Liberty may be granted.
ಅದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ಏನ್ ಮೆಮೊಲ್ ಏನ್ ಹೇಳಿದಿರಾ ಅದು ಮೆಮೊಲ್ ನನ್ನ ಅರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರು ಆಯ್ತು ಅದೇ ನಿಮ್ಮನ್ನ ಸಾರಿ
Being spoken to. 12.
ಅದು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಗ್ಯಾಪ್ ಆಗೋಯ್ತಲ್ಲ ಅದಕ್ಕಷ್ಟೇ
After a long time.
ನಾಳೆ ರಿಲೀಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ ಅದೇ the order was
in fact
petition
both
was
these matters
dismissed
were
with
in
a
my lord,
direction to dispose of the suit within 6 months, since it's a concurrent finding, with the liberty for them, my lord, to file an application for appointment of commissioner in accordance with law in the
with
original.
one more observation to expunge the adversary remarks made by the appellate court where in pre-trial I mean the findings were given at,
all that day after tomorrow will release.
Please.
Krishna?
Mention.
What, Termesh sir?
Yes, two Dharwad matters can I move for being spoken to?
When do you want?
Your lordship have listed 9th so many matters.
ಆಯ್ತು ಅವತ್ತೇ ಬರಲಿ.
Small corrections are.
ಆಯ್ತು ಕೊಡಿ ಮಂಡ್ಯ ಹಾಕ್ಸಿ ಮೇಡಮ್. ಎಸ್ ನಾಡಿದ್ದು ರಿಲೀಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. ಬ್ಲಾಕ್ ಮ್ಯಾಜಿಕ್ ನಾಡಿದ್ದು ಹಾಕಿದ್ದೀನಿ.
You may give the memo, my lords. At this point in time, my lords, there is a case 307 has been filed, my lords. I am the
Fresh matter?
ಇಲ್ಲ further hearing ಗೆ 307 charge sheet has been filed, my lord. There are bite marks on my entire body, my lords.
Bite marks?
Yes, my lord. I am
who bit you?
My lords, the accused, my lord.
354 Barabbak, in fact, last time it was posted. My learned friend took an adjust.
Yes, my lord. My lord, this matter may be listed.
Friday.
Yes, my lord. Obliged.
Aye.